Machine learning engineer, the role that builds the models everyone else uses. Median comp $180,000, senior roles at top companies $350,000 plus. But this is not the AI engineer path. ML engineers don't just call APIs. They build the models behind the APIs. Here's the complete roadmap. Quick note, ML engineer versus AI engineer. AI engineers use pre-trained models to build applications. ML engineers build and train the models themselves. More math, more infrastructure, deeper understanding. 10 phases, 9 to 12 months, from fundamentals to production ML systems. Phase 1, Python and SQL, not beginner scripting. Clean, modular, production-grade Python plus SQL, because if you can't fetch your own data, your models won't run. Phase 2, the math that matters. Linear algebra for embeddings, calculus for optimization, probability for everything. You're building the physics engine of your ML career. Phase 3, data engineering, ETL pipelines, feature engineering, data validation. Garbage in, garbage out is not just a saying, it's the #1 reason ML projects fail. Phase 4, classical machine learning, decision trees, random forests, gradient boosting. Don't skip this for deep learning. These models still power most production ML systems in 2026. Phase 5, deep learning, not just using PyTorch, understanding it, building training loops from scratch. CNNs, transformers, attention mechanisms. This is where you go from ML user to ML builder. Phase 6, experiment design, ML flow for tracking, A/B testing, ablation studies. Science without experiments isn't science. Same goes for machine learning. Phase 7, ML ops, Docker, Kubernetes, model registries, CI/CD pipelines, drift detection. A model in a notebook is a science project. A model in production is engineering. This is where the real job is. Phase 8, LLMs and fine-tuning, the Hugging Face ecosystem, LoRa, QLoRa, dataset curation. As an ML engineer, you don't just prompt models, you adapt them, you make them yours. Phase 9, ML system design, feature stores, training pipelines, inference optimization. This is what separates a senior ML engineer from a junior one. Thinking in systems, not scripts. Phase 10, portfolio and interviews, end-to-end projects, at least one paper implementation. ML system design practice. The job market wants builders who can think, not tutorial followers. That's the complete ML engineer roadmap for 2026, 10 phases, from Python to production systems. You're not just using AI, you're building it. 3 things to remember. First, classical ML still matters. Most production systems run gradient boosting, not transformers. Don't skip the fundamentals chasing the hype. Second, data skills beat model skills. The best model can't fix bad data. Invest twice as much time in data engineering as in model architecture. Third, build end-to-end. Don't just train models. Deploy them, monitor them, fix them when they break. That's the actual job. Your roadmap starts now. Go build a model that matters.